What if pursuing the American dream suddenly cost you $100,000? Trump's latest H-1B visa move could change the future of global talent forever. The United States has long been seen as the land of opportunity, a place where skilled workers from around the globe, especially India, migrate to build career dreams and fortune. At the heart of this migration lies the H-1B visa, a powerful gateway for professionals like software engineers, doctors, researchers, and tech entrepreneurs. But in a shocking political move, Trump has proposed a 1 lakh US dollar fee for every H1 visa. This decision has sent shockwave across industries, universities, and foreign governments. Today we break down why Trump introduced this fee, how its impact on Indian workers and global, the ripple effect on global economics, and rather the American dream is slipping away from the world's brightest mind. Welcome to Closed Letter Analysis. Now, where we go to move. The H-1 visa is a non-immigrant work visa that allows US companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations, fields requiring expertise in the technology, medicine, finance, architecture, and engineering. Every year, around 85,000 H-1B visas are issued, and more than 70% of them go to Indians, mostly in the IT and medical sector. For decades, this program has been a bridge between US companies and global talent, fueling innovations in Silicon Valley, powering Americans' hospital, and supporting the US economy. What is now Trump's stance for America? So why has Trump decided to impose such as a targeting 1 lakh fee per visa application? Trump argues that the US is being filled with cheap foreign laborers. American workers are losing jobs and bargaining powers. Companies are exploiting the system to hire foreign workers instead of Americans, while setting such as a high entry barrier. Trump's global is a protectionism to force companies to hire Americans first and to make the H-1B program financially restrictive. What this decision is more than just politics. It's a bold economic gamble. Immediate impact on workers. Now we talk about this. For aspiring workers, the cost of the American dreams just skyrocketed. Imagine a young software engineer from Bengaluru or Hyderabad saving for years now facing an impossible 1 lakh USD dollar barrier before even earning a single dollar in the USA. Doctors and researchers who are the high demands in American hospitals and labs may recognize migrating because the cost overweights the benefits. This fee effectively transforms H-1B from a skilled migration pathway into a privilege only the wealthy or corporate sponsors can afford. Now we talk about impact on Indian professionals. No one country will feel this decision more than India. Tech workers. The India supply the largest share of H-1B visa holders. Software engineers, coders, and IT professionals are at the heart of Silicon Valley workplace. This few would block thousands of young engineers from even apply. Doctors and healthcare workers. The US healthcare system heavily rely on foreign doctors and nurses, many from India. A 1 lakh USD dollar barrier would worsen doctors' shortage in rural America and simultaneously limit opportunities for Indian medical graduates. Brain drain reversal. Instead of losing its brightest mind to America, India may actually retain more talent, boosting its own tech hubs like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune. Now we talk about global economy and geopolitical impact. This decision make huge tensions and breaking news in international media and journals. The move doesn't just affect individual, it's a global consequence. For US companies, Gantt like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apply rely on skilled immigrants. Rising cost will hurt innovation, slow down projects, and even push companies to outsource talent abroad instead of bringing workers to the USA. For India and other nations, countries like Canada, Australia, and the UK will benefit as they already offer more welcoming skilled migration programs. Many workers who once dreamed of America may redirect to other destinations. For USA economy, this is a very disastrous impact. Studies show that H-1B visa holders have created billions of revenue and even founded companies that employ thousands of Americans. By cutting this talent pipeline, America risks losing its global innovation ease. Now we talk about geopolitical angle. This decision signals America's shift toward economic nationalism, which would alter global migration flow and workforce dynamics. Now we talk about why Trump really did it. At this core, Trump's decision is a purely politically strategic. It appeals to American voters who feel foreign workers are taking away jobs. It strengthens his America's First policy. It gives Trump as a strong narrative to hiding its election propaganda, protecting America's West from cheap foreign labors. But experts argue this is a short-term populism at the cost of long-term growth. Voices of oppositions. Now we talk about this. Economists, tech CEOs and universities are already pushing back. They warned the USA will lose top talent to rival nations. Industries like healthcare and technology will suffer more, and the global image of the USA as a land of opportunity will weaken. For many, this fee is not just a policy, it's a barrier to dream, diversity and progress. What is your opinion? Think about it. Now we talk about the futures of H-1B visa and skilled migration. This $1 lakh USD barrier proposal could reshape migration pattern permanently. India may build a stronger domestic tech ecosystem, reducing dependency on the US. Other nations like Germany, Canada and Australia may become the new hotspot for global talent. America risks isolating itself from the workforce that powered its rise in the digital age. Now we talk about what is make impact on this decision on global and America's economy. The $100,000, that is the new price tag on the American dreams. But will the USA pay the price of shutting out the world's brightest minds? Or will this bold move backfire, pushing innovation and the talent away from the America forever? Now, think about this decision and comment down about this decision. And thank you. Bye.